Need to pin your group on Forium app? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the process on how you can easily pin your group on Forium app. First thing first, head over to your application Forium. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now click on this three line at the top left corner. Here it says your groups. You can see tons of different groups are available. If you couldn't find a specific group, then all you gotta do is click on the search icon and search for the name of your group. Once found, all you gotta do is click on the spin icon. Once clicked, now if you go back, you will be able to see that your group has been pinned at the very top. So this is simply how you can pin your group on Forium, your Facebook app. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.